Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
If there's no fetal heartbeat at 8 weeks, it could indicate a possible miscarriage or that the pregnancy is not as far along as initially thought. Contact your healthcare provider immediately for an evaluation and further guidance. Early, prompt medical attention is crucial to understanding the situation and deciding the next steps.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.